was going on, man, with Patong Phuket, and what I'm about to do, first time here in Thailand, is I'm going to the laundry, but I'll probably not go into this like laundry room. I'll go to like there is a place like so close here, so yeah, we will try. This shit is funny as hell, man. This shit is funny as hell. So yeah, I will do the laundry and then we'll go to the beach for the first time. Actually, I've never been to a beach yet here, so yeah, we'll see what's going on. We'll see what's going on. Laundry?
Tomorrow night.
Hello, sir. Laundry. Can I get a laundry?
This one only wash and dry.
Wash and dry.
No iron now.
No iron, yeah. I don't need iron. So guys, that's how it looks like actually. I'm here like so yeah.
150 baht. Just pick up tomorrow and you can pay tomorrow.
I can pay now or tomorrow?
Tomorrow, please. Pick up on 3 p.m.
Tomorrow 3 p.m. Okay. Do I need to sign something now? Okay. I will sign a paper.
Not sign anything. You just give the receipt.
Okay. Alright, so we're not signing. We're not signing anything. Thank you so much.
Cheers, have a good day.
You too. Man, that's what we got. So it's cool. He said 3 p.m. So we will get it tomorrow at 3 p.m. Thankfully I got some more clothes because I gave almost everything I got to him. But it's cool. I'm first time here. Not now, but what's the price?
Yeah, have a look.
1,530 minutes. And two people?
2 people here, 2 people.
Okay, thank you.
Get the price for you, okay?
Okay, thank you. I actually check it out because I wanna go actually. I wanna go, ain't gonna lie. I actually wanna go. So yeah, look how the beach look like, man. It's actually nothing crazy now, and I don't know if it's because of the cloudy skies. Look, it's so cloudy. It gets a little bit windy now. I don't know. There is a red flag, but no. Okay. You cannot swim like here. But you can swim like over there. So yeah, we will walk around. We will walk around. Hey, yeah, man, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited. And yeah, I don't even have a plan for today. It's so windy. I hope it's not a problem for my microphone. That is so windy, man. That is okay. That's from here you can actually start to swim. So maybe I will go to my knees. Yeah, I will just put my phone in my bag. And yeah, let's see what's going on in the water. Let's see what's going on in the water, man. maybe later I will just leave everything in my room, bro, and just go to swim. We'll see. When I will be with like someone, when I will go like on a date or something, like it won't be an issue anymore. God damn, bro, this water here is like so hot. I think I will leave my flip-flops. Then it started to raining. No way, it started raining. What? It started raining, bro. Okay, that's not good at all. That's not good at all. Look, everyone like go now because it started raining. Everyone is going, man. That's so funny. That's so funny. So I will go too. I don't want to be wet. I don't want to be wet, that's for sure, man. I don't want to be wet. That's my fault, bro, because earlier it was like so sunny and was no problem with no rain. But now, no, I gotta go here. It was so sunny earlier, bro. That's my fault. I shouldn't go earlier to do it, but I haven't. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're in Thailand, so it's raining a lot, man. And you never can expect like when. You can never expect when, for real. Man, it's just raining heavily like last 15 minutes, man. Everybody is like here because we got the roof, but man, it's terrible. I want to record something cool, man, and you see I can, but it's not my fault. I mean, it is a little bit because I could come earlier. It was like super sunny and no rain, but yeah. Look what we got, man. Look what we got. Some, I don't even know what it is, but it was looking the best. And thank you. It was looking the best at the menu card, so I just took it, man. And yeah, let's see if it's cool. Okay, it's cool. It's quite cool. I like it, man. I like it. I don't know. I would just eat. I don't know if I should go to a hotel and like think, like have some plan. I'll be 3 more nights here, but I gotta do something cool, you know. I cannot just go out and when it's raining I do nothing, you know, because it not give me like no experience, it not fun, it not giving me content, and I'm not meeting people like, so yeah, I gotta do better, I gotta change, you know. And I will do it, but probably if I eat, I will get back to hotel because it's raining for the last 1.5 hours, so I will just go to hotel now. Alright, man, in my room, unfortunately it was raining, so no cool things, no content, no interaction with people, but yeah, I'm still grateful that I'm here, that's for sure. I'll probably do what I gotta do. Um, I love it, so yeah, I will do something that I love. And that's it for this video. So like, comment, subscribe, give me some cool content recommendation, man. Stay tuned and see you on to the next one.